Guys, we're back. Here is the new Mishimoto. Well, not new, but new to me. Mishimoto trans cooler. I got it, especially because when I was towing a lot, when I was camping a lot, towing the four-wheeler and camp trailer and stuff like that, it would kind of get a little too hot, a little too close for comfort hot. And so with this bumper, this Graves bumper, the trans cooler's like right here, so it doesn't really get that much air in it, especially with the light and stuff. And so it just kind of sucks because it's the trans coolers is like right here, and now the Mishimoto will actually be up in the grill area. So let's pour out and one thing check her out to do if you guys are going to get one of these, because when I worked at Premier Performance selling everything diesel and stuff, these would come back all the time. Mishimoto intercoolers and radiators, coolers, even the Raleigh or Durelli, just anything like that where they can get damaged. Pick the option to have it shipped in an Amazon box. So I had this shipped inside an Amazon box to protect it, and I'm glad, because even that, it came in as a hole in it. So what happens is they just get damaged in shipping, because this is an option to ship it, which they originally did. So I'm hoping it should be. They're packaged pretty good. That's one thing I like about Mishimoto, is they actually come pretty packaged pretty well. Oh yeah, I got a freaking chili air freshener. I haven't had one of these forever. That's awesome. So here's like a little instruction booklet. Here's the hoses, and then all the hardware and stuff that you'll get with it. So here she is, all clean and nice, all sealed up, pretty nice too. So it's kind of, I want to open it but I don't. So it's pretty thick, but mainly just I don't want to drop it. So came out looking pretty good. There's just that one right there. You might need to straighten out a little bit, but be careful. But other than that, it looks, camera's kind of, there you go, looking good. Hold her there for a second, but looks way good. I'm excited to put that in. So, but we'll get the install video here in soon.